Are you tired of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and all these social sites making the algorithm harder and harder so you get very little to no traffic? Well, who isn't tired of that? But you know what? I'm about to solve this problem for you. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to discuss social media marketing in 2019, and here's what you haven't tried. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way when I release more videos and more content like this, you'll get notified. Now I have a question for you. How many of you guys get more than 100 visitors from Facebook, Twitter, or any of these social sites per month? If you do, leave a comment with yes. If you don't, leave a comment with no. What I'm going to share with you today isn't just going to get you 100 visitors. It should get you well over 1,000 visitors per month. The first tip I have for you is to share your content multiple times. When people go on Facebook or LinkedIn, they share the content once and that's it. I'm like, why? You know most of your followers aren't going to see your content. Have you thought about sharing it 6 times a year? Yes, that same piece of article over and over again. By doing that, what you'll find is you'll get way more traffic. Typically double to triple the amount of traffic than if you just shared it once. Sadly, you're not going to get 6 times the amount of traffic, but you'll get at least double if not triple. And you can use tools like MeetEdgar or Hootsuite to automatically schedule out these tweets, the Facebook posts, so that way over time, you'll keep getting the traffic over and over again without you having to manually share the content. Second tip, create engaging content. The biggest part about these social algorithms in 2019 is comments. It's not likes, it's not shares, it's how many people are leaving a comment. Do you know why? Well, it's because it takes more effort for you to leave a comment than it does for you to like this video or share the video. Don't believe me? Leave a comment below. If everyone leaves a comment below, you'll watch this video go viral. It could be as simple as being like yes, no, or the number 1. It doesn't matter what you leave in the comment. If you all leave a comment, this video will go more viral. The proof is in the pudding. So within your videos, ask people questions, or when people leave a comment, respond to each and every single one. But when you respond, you can even also ask the commenter a question. That'll cause them to come back and leave another comment. Again, that'll help your video go more viral. The third tip I have for you is don't be afraid to promote your business. It's so funny, everyone's like, oh, I figured out how to get social traffic, but it's useless, it drives no sales. Well, are you asking people to buy from you? If you don't have any call to actions in your videos, you can't expect people to come, consume your content, and be like, yeah, sure, I'm gonna buy from you, Neil. People don't think that way. They're just gonna consume. You gotta encourage them to go to your business, buy your products or your services or sign up from. That's what at the end of every one of my videos, I tell everyone to check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. There's nothing wrong with self-promoting. Don't go overboard, but of course, putting it in there a little here and there isn't a big deal. You'll also find that a lot of the content that you create on the social web isn't doing well. It's because you're creating content that no one wants to read or watch. Instead, start using tools like Buzzsumo. You can put in keywords in your space, it'll show you what's hot and what's not, purely based on social shares. That'll give you a good leading indicator of the type of content you should be creating. What's cool about Buzzsumo is you can also filter popular articles and content based on the last 3 months, 6 months, 1 week, whatever time frame you want. So that'll tell you what content you should be creating today, not what content that worked 2 years ago that may not or may work today. Then I want you to participate on the social web. I see everyone taking pictures and putting them on Instagram and responding on their own profiles, but that's not participating on the social web. Why aren't you participating on other people's profiles? Why aren't you commenting? Why aren't you creating a conversation? This is a social site because you're supposed to be social, not just on your own profile, but on other people's as well. By being social, it'll help you get more known in the community and you'll do much better. People skip this step all the time. I have no clue why. If you're not going to be social, you're not going to get results on any social network out there. And the last tip I have for you, and this is what you haven't tried and this is what you're not doing, optimize your own site for conversions. Even when you get the social traffic, you're just not going to get those people to convert into customers. Yes, you can tell people to buy your products, buy your services, and that's one strategy, but you also need to optimize your own landing pages. By using tools like Crazy Egg, you can see where people are clicking, where they're not, what's stopping them from converting, and then get them to convert by running A/B tests. You can even use tools like Hellobar and subscribers to either capture emails or even to get people on your push notification list. That way, over time, you can nurture people and convince them to buy through drip notifications. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And of course, if you need help with your own marketing, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital.